B-I-G-Z, VIP we. Every day girl a pray me. I watch me like TV. Lifestyle.
I mean, we got blood clot, Boba Marley, and I'm a good girl, new phone. Christmas a come, girl, forget blow and Fifi. You know what is Fifi?
No.
When good old girl pussy and cheesy, they forget Fifi. They forget blood. I mean, Christmas a come. You think a blood clot bun and cheese alone, girl?
C'est compliqué.
Want the government to get in a trouble. Come up prison, sit down. I'm a fifth video. No better. Them a fear. Oh, it's a bell. Prison. Land for farm up. Prison. Road rock. Prison. And a prison yam. Taxpayers' money. How they not pay their money before they eat? When they get big, me no want to no gun.
Yes, so. Yes, so. Yes, so.
After me and the man a come and a reason. Every time the man talking a rasta, me have to turn me nose over the next side, you know. Right? And me a say, hold on the man. Me couldn't bear it no longer in a rasta. Until me and the man alone in the car, you know. And me go say to the man, me brethren, rascal man, your mouth stinking, man. The man say, what you say, what? Me say, man, it's high, man. The man say, hold on. Stop. Come out of my car, man. Me say, for what? Because you say my mouth stink, man. And me say, what a rascal man like this. It look like your name dead rat or some bumbo clotting, man. And come out, you know. And take bus and come and make pen, you know. Right? And to rascal, why is not every truth must be told? I don't like people where I say it's not every truth must be told, because when a man talk the truth, it shouldn't be a offense to no one, you know, right?
Cool, isn't it? Quick, you don't be man, so if you use the pattern and deal with me thing. See it? Yo, you saw no girl in your mouth, my money no look out, because I set a blood clot pattern for you right now. I leak on a blood clot, it's saying. See it? So some of no girl. You don't take my money off you, say you don't get to it. When you don't get to it, you don't see it. Send me. I miss you. I miss you. I just want to say I miss you. Oh my God, don't do me like that, Ella. I miss you. Nah, trouble, I miss you. I tell her I miss her and she know why, you know. I miss Ella so much. I miss you. No, you do not sick. How long I see her? How long I see her? You know how long I see her?